Because student-centered learning starts with the student's prior knowledge, it allows girls' experience to be brought into the discussion. However, teachers need to be careful that they do not make assumptions about what girls' and boys' knowledge areas are. Girls and boys may have had very different out-of-school experiences, and from these experiences, they may have developed varied interests. We need to be conscious of this and make an effort to bring all interests into our teaching. In addition, teachers need to foster a wide variety of interests in girls and boys alike and not make assumptions about what girls and boys like to do. Students learn in many different ways. Teachers who use an active student-centered approach use a broad range of teaching strategies. This better enables all students, girls and boys alike, to engage in learning through their area of strength while also developing in other areas. Gender inclusion means thinking about all aspects of learning, and this includes assessment. Girls and boys perform better on exams when teachers use a variety of assessment questions, multiple choice, short answer, essay questions, and so on. Working in small groups can benefit girls. They tend to participate more in small group settings and have better access to learning materials and equipment. However, teachers need to be gender inclusive in this approach and monitor groups. When working in small groups, teachers should ask themselves the following questions. Are both boys and girls participating? Are boys and girls sharing materials? Are girls and boys showing respect for each other's views? Are boys and girls both acting as group leaders? Are both girls and boys selected as recorders and reporters? Using these methods ensure that all students are included in teaching and learning. Active student-centered learning is a great girl-friendly method for creating more accessible classrooms.